India receives the whole country, all over the world, receives under the presidency of India, G20, which welcomes the slogan of Vasudhaiva Kudumbam, Logame Taravada, from the Upanishads, one earth, one family, one future. Here we can introduce the one earth and one health. One earth, one health is a slogan, a buzzword we introduced in the International Education Summit. Here the river is flowing, and just like the generations splash down, river is freedom and flow is truth, which attracts the people, the beauty, the plantains, hurricane trees, which makes them oxygen. The breathe is one of our fundamental things, ensures in the beauty. Here the rivers close down the backwater, that is the lush green vegetations here. This is connected to various industries, especially the agriculture, the farm tourism, which makes we can learn the different varieties of traditional farming and modern technological farming. The system we can learn from the biofloc itself.